They came in the night, burned my village, spilled innocent blood. They thought fear would silence me. But I am not the one who hides in darkness. I am the storm inside it. I will find them, and I will finish what they started.
So I find a way you can have access to Grok AI for almost free. And in this video, I want to share that with you. Now, if you can see this AI video right now, this was created by Grok AI, and it was created in this very video. I've used a lot of AI video generating tool. Now, one of the most standard tool for me is Grok. You can't easily have access to any video generating tool out there for free. But right here, I will show you how you can have access to Grok for almost free. So with that said, let's get started right away. So the first thing you have to come, if you come back to your Grok account right here, if you want to subscribe to the supergrok right here, you can see they are giving us $30 to subscribe for a month. This one right here is $99 right here, and this other one is $10. If you come to the business plan right here, you can see this $30. This is $30 right here, $99, and this is $10 right here. But I will show you how you can get access to this for almost free. Just follow me as we do this. And the first thing you have to do is to come over to your Grok and sign in. So the next thing right here is to connect your S account. Click on connect, and you can go ahead and connect your S account right here. So that's the first thing you are going to do right now. Just follow me respectively as I show you how you can make this happen for yourself. So right now, our S account is already linked to our Grok account. What we are going to do next is very simple. We're going to come over to our come to our S account, and this is our S account right here. Click on your profile right there, which is at the top of the corner. Then you're going to click on premium. You're going to see that you're going to swipe up to the premium part. This is the basic, starting for 3,000 naira, which is less than $2. Then this one right here is a premium, and this one right here give you access to Grok AI. And you click on subscribe for 50% off. You can see that you can get premium for 3,800 naira for your first 2 months. All right, click on subscribe and pay, and they're going to take you to the payment page of which you're going to subscribe for Grok AI for just 3,800 naira. Right, if you are living outside Nigeria, this is more like $2, right? Just click on our payment page right now. I'm going to add payment page. I'm using cheaper cash for this right now. You can use any payment method, any international payment method. But if you don't have, just let me know in the comment section. Then I will show you how you can get a cheaper card you can use for this. So I'm going to click on this very card right now. Click on subscribe, and I'm going to just verify my purchase right now. It's going to load up right now. Payment successful. As you can see right now, welcome to premium. So we have already subscribed for this right now. So guys, we are going to see if this works on our Grok AI. We come back to our Grok account. What we do right now, we are going to click on our profile. We're going to sign out right now. Click on sign out. Then let's sign out. So we are going to sign in again, but this time around we're going to be signing in using our Twitter account, which is our S account, instead of our Gmail account. So we come back, click on sign in. This time around we log in with S. We're already in here. So we're going to test if this really works. We're going to come to imagine, click on imagine. Then we're going to imagine a test right now. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I generated a script I'm going to be using to test the Grok AI. So I'm going to come back to ChatGPT right now. So guys, I'm going to be using the prompt I generated for ChatGPT. Like this is the motion prompt, and this is what ChatGPT gave me. They came in the night, burned my village, spilled innocent blood. They thought fear will silence me, but I am the one who hides in darkness, and all of that. So what we are going to do right now, we're going to test run this right now on Grok AI to see if this truly works. We're going to copy it right now. Click on copy. We're going to come to Grok AI. You're going to click on add photos. Click on animate photos. You're going to click on done, and it's going to be added right here. So we are going to paste our script, everything right here, right? So I'm going to click on this very one right here. I'm going to make it 3x2. We're going to make 16:9. I'm going to click the first atmosphere right here, motion prompt. I'm going to click on generate. So we're going to wait right now. It's creating this image, right? So we're going to it's going to take some time to create this image right now, and it just finished generating. So right, this is the motion prompt. This is crazy. This is the first motion prompt we are going to finish this editing by adding the rest dialogues to it. And once I'm done adding the dialogues, you are going to be seeing this right now. So
But I
guys,
am not the one
we
who
just
hides
finished
in
this one right
darkness.
now. So we're going to
They
continue
thought fear would
from where we stop. Let me pause it.
silence me.
Then I'm going to just go over to okay. I think this is please. The thought fear will silence me. I'm not the one that hide the darkness. Then continue from here. Thunder clash. A storm inside it. Weapon raise. I think this is the last part right now. We're going to just copy it. Right? Thunder clash. The storm inside it. We're going to paste it right here. Click on generate. And this is going to generate for us. This is going to be the final scene right now. So let's wait for it to load up.
And I will finish what they started.
So guys, this is it.
I am the
and we are
storm
done
inside
in it right now.
I will
So let's
find
download
them.
this one right now again.
And I will finish what they started.
So next we're going to go to CapCut right now, and we're going to merge all this together. Then let's give the final results. So I took all the dialogues I exported from Grok AI, brought them to InShot, and I had them together, and this is the result. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go over to exports, and we're going to export our video. We're going to export it in 1080p. You can export it in 2K, in 1080p, or you can export it in 4K or in 2K, whichever means you want to export it from. So we're going to export it right now. We're going to wait for it to export. In the next few minutes, it's going to be exported right now. The video is exported right now, and this is the final result.
They came in the night, burned my village, spilled innocent blood. They thought fear would silence me. But I am not the one who hides in darkness. I am the storm inside it. I will find them, and I will finish what they started.
Now this is amazing and this is crazy. Now this is how you can subscribe for Grok for as low as $2, and you can have access to this premium for almost free, and you can use Grok as far as you like. Please note this plan is limited in a way that you don't have unlimited access to Grok. You can only create a limited version of dialogues in a day. That means you have access to at least a limited. It's not limited, but that's a still compared to the outrageous price you'll be getting Grok if you are getting it through their app. So with this very method, you are getting it for less than $2. You can use this brilliantly. If you are very smart about this, before the first 2 months, you must have monetized your channel if you are really consistent about this. So guys, thanks for watching again. If you want me to create more videos around this very topic, AI specific, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question for me, if you have any video idea for me, let me know in the comment section. I reply to all my comments. I listen to all my comments. So drop your questions in the comment section. If you are finding it difficult to add your payment method or to subscribe for the premium version through Twitter, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to help you get started. Also, if you want to get access to the card I used to subscribe for this premium, which is cheaper cash, let me know. I will walk you through on how to get started and how to add your payment card. It's very simple. So guys, if you find valuable, like, subscribe, and also share to someone out there. And also stay glued to this channel because more videos like this will be coming up. And also join my Telegram channel where I will be dropping updates, every update you need, right? Right there, you get information firsthand before you can get it here. So make sure you join it via the comment section or the description of this video so that you can have access to first-hand information from this very channel. Right? Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.